Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're gonna go ahead and replace the new clutch. We got a new clutch basket, the inner basket as well, I think it's called. And as part of the build, we also bought new friction plates and the other steel plates, as well as new springs for the clutch. So we're gonna go ahead and tear into that entirely today, but mostly to replace the outer basket, which had some incredible notching when I looked into it and installed the fiber discs. So let's go ahead and tear it down. First thing we need to do is get the skid plate off, drain the oil, and then we can open up the clutch cover and start disassembling. So while the oil's draining out, I'm gonna go ahead and get the clutch cover ready to get taken off. So the oil's now pretty much all out. What I'm gonna do now is start getting the clutch cover off. Thank God this is a pretty much brand new one, so I don't have to worry about replacing the gasket, but we're gonna inspect it anyways. We're gonna fill this tub up with some oil just to make sure that all the friction plates and everything that's in there stays nice and lubed up while we're doing the process of changing out the baskets. So there are the baskets laid out, and let's get started. All right guys, as you can see, we've got all the springs and bolts out, the cover, the gasket. This is what I was referring to earlier. Where is that chopped up bit? Right there. Not sure if you can see that. Yeah, it's not looking too good. We're gonna go ahead and replace that. Might as well toss it. Oil's ready to go for all the plates that are inside. So let's go ahead and rip them out now. Do you see all of those notches? Everywhere. You can feel them, you can see them. It is not smooth at all. Let's go ahead and put this down. No notching whatsoever. Smooth as a bird. Not smooth. Smooth, not smooth. Here's a quick tour inside of the clutch. It's the bearing that I was inspecting. Everything looks pretty good. I did buy another one, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, but I don't think I'm gonna end up replacing it. It all looks pretty good. Everything in here is looking not that bad. I don't really know what I'm looking for, to be honest, but the metal seems to be in good condition on the inside, so I'll take that all day. So now this will just take this washer in here. Look at that, brand new. According to this manual, I'm going to be torquing that bolt down to 65 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and get the torque wrench set up to 65 foot-pounds.